Today I'm going to show you how to create Swarovski crystal nails or the new Preciosa. So we're going to do a fair bit of bling on these nails, and I'm going to show you a few little tips and tricks on how to make them last a little bit longer and to keep that diamond-like shine. Okay, so just start by painting your top coat on your color coat nail and then come in with your crystals. So there's a little thing that I'm using called a crystal katana. It's basically just got a wax kind of stick on one side that you can sharpen as it starts to get blunt, and the other side is just like usually a steel kind of point or pole, and you can use that to basically put the crystals on and just maneuver the crystals to where you'd like to position them. So you can see here I'm literally just placing the crystal katana or the wax part of the stick onto the crystal, and that just naturally makes it adhere, and then you place it down onto the nail. So I'm just kind of doing just a simple little scatter of 3 crystals, so having my biggest crystal at the top and then 2 smaller ones below. But you can literally do the same technique to encase and cover a whole nail with all sorts of shapes and sizes. So I've got my 3, I've just placed them on. Do not cure until you're happy with the placement of the crystals. Remember that these are going to slip around, so make sure that before you cure, just do one more check and tell your client to just not move their hand too much before they put in the lamp and cure. Now the benefit of this is that it's not going to set or dry quickly, such as some resins. Okay, and so I'm just showing you here just the end of the stick. So as you can see, one's the wax side and one is the side where I'm pushing the crystals around. Now I'm coming in with just a striping brush. After I've cured the 3 that I've set, I'm coming in around the sides of the crystals and just basically putting gel all around the crystals so that they adhere properly. Okay, so that kind of just sets it in almost as if you could imagine like a diamond ring. You've kind of got the pave, you can just kind of place them around. You can see just at the bottom of my 3rd crystal I've put a teeny tiny crystal, well actually a silver bauble. Now these little baubles are really handy to keep your crystals in place so they don't catch on things. So if you want, you can just imagine like a diamond ring setting and you can just place those all around the crystals. So basically after this you will just go in and cure for 30 or 60 seconds and that is it.
Please remember, number 1 thing is don't put top coat or gel at all over your crystals because it turns them into rocks. You can't see the little tiny facets. So if you do it the right way and take extra care, there's no reason why they should come off. So if you want to get those beautiful sparkly nails, make sure you don't top coat the crystals. But any questions, just let me know.
So I hope you enjoyed the Swarovski crystal tutorial, and any questions please comment below.